Yo, first order of the day. We've got a 7-Eleven. This is $6 and change, going about 3.5 miles. Thank you. So that order had a little tag on it, I guess, pretty much saying that was like a special customer or something, and like treat their order extra well and you're more likely to get a higher tip than expected, right? Yeah, that was all base pay, no tip. Next up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one is $8, going 6 miles.
Welcome to a Jack in the Box. What can I serve you? How are we gonna?
So I've been sitting around for a hot minute, but finally got an order. This is IHOP, $14, going 6 miles.
Both bags. Gotcha. And the drink.
Perfect, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Not the shot glass of chocolate milk. Oh, that doesn't even fit in my cup holder. Well, that's kind of awkward. It says, please knock. Not too loud though. Next order up, we've got a 7-Eleven. This one's $8, going 5 miles. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Have a good one.
Yep, you too. Hello.
Morning.
Morning. Got this next order right away. It's a shop and deliver for Safeway. $13, going 6 miles, 2 items. Dropping off too?
Yes.
Hey, just McDonald's.
Yeah, there's that, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
This one's probably gonna be a mistake, but let's give it a shot. This is Wendy's, $7 and change, going about 3.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got a McDonald's. This one is $7, going 4 miles. We got the next order pretty much right away. This is Chick-fil-A, $9, going 6 miles. Got the next order as I was dropping that one off. It is Daydream Breakfast Burritos, $13, going, I don't remember the mileage actually, but I know it's high mileage. So like 7, 8, I don't know. Thank you. You too. Top customer, deliver with care. Well, we know what that means. Got this next order as I was dropping off. It's a Jack in the Box, $12, going 6 miles. Thank you. We got Starbucks, $6, going 3 miles. Thank you. Got this right away. It is a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Peachtree Restaurant and Don Pedro, $11, going about 4 miles. All right, that's one down, one to go. Other restaurant is just right across the street, so let's see if this is ready.
Yes.
They just had like 5 drivers come in at the same time. They are busy. Would be on the top floor. Why not? And just like that, I'm over it. Let's go home. Current time is 10:02. Total, we ended up with 116. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.